So early in the morning, I have a call. So I have a client call to
world for her to teach her design skills for people online. So that's where we merged as a partner to build this business called
do it for you and maybe do it with you, but they just were very new at their businesses. So they didn't have that analytical kind of mentality to understand what intended outcome.
I just want to make sure that the sales page and the home page kind of, look similar.
medyo nakaka-drain kapag meron kang back-to-back calls. Pero ganun talaga eh. Kapag freelancer ka, kailangan marunong ka makipag-usap sa client. Kasi ikaw yung mag-a-assess kung ano ba yung gagawin mo to help them with their business. So, na-receive ko na yung collaboration agreement, yung na-mention ko nung nagla-live ako here on TikTok. So, ito na yung contract. So, this collaboration agreement, collaboration with a virtual assistant agency in the UK. Pero hindi naman virtual assistant yung role ko here. So, I will be their partner sa pag-run ng funnels, landing page, or website side ng business nila. So, dahil tapos na ako mag-work sa computer ko, gagawin ko na lang is mag-client getting ako. Lagi ako nag-client getting using my mobile phone kasi mas convenient siya. Pwede ako mag-client getting kahit nasa living room or dito sa bedroom. Client getting muna ako. Mga at least 15 minutes, ganun. So that's it. If you want to be a funnel designer, available pa yung aking free course dyan. You can check the link on my bio. And I also do live streaming, co-working stream kapag nag-work ako. So if you wanted to co-work with me live here on TikTok, you can follow me and join my co-working stream. So whether you are working from home already or getting started pa lang, na gusto mo maging productive, you can join me on my co-working stream here on TikTok. So yun lang.